It's time to plan the day. Yesterday was a really productive day. I was so proud of myself. I had a lot of big items on my to-do and I crushed them. And I even did a thumbnail thing, though I didn't finish it, but I did it. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. This morning, the first thing I will be doing is finishing up the YouTube video that I uploaded on YouTube already. Finish up with the thumbnail and the video can go out today. And also I need to empty this drive, all this 1 week video that I've been doing. I need to put them on the system so that I can create some memory space on my phone. What else do I need to do today? I need to attend a live webinar by 1. The class, agile MBA class, is 10:30. I'm going to join the class today. Yes, I can do that while I'm working on the thumbnail. And what else do I need to do? I need to help someone with a payment, so I need to send my account details to that person, slotting Amazon thing, then the personal branding. The only two things that I haven't touched, like touched are just the Amazon thing and the personal branding thing. So today and tomorrow will be dedicated to them. The kitchen thing that I wanted to do, yes, I started with my ideation yesterday and also started writing the task list, so putting them on my to-do. So I have it here on my Kanban board. This is my Kanban board. I use this when I have like a huge task to do. So here I'll just start breaking everything down. I'm supposed to put the big task, which is going to be my epic, which is the rearrange kitchen to make it functional, blah 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 blah. I'm going to make a video of what I'm doing and how project management or agile project management method to crush this thing. I'm going to be filming it, and if you're in for that kind of video, let me know how you can break down your big items into tiny tasks and achieve it so that it doesn't get overwhelming. So I'm just going to go into my Microsoft to do now and plan the day as usual. So it's going to look like I'm not doing a review of yesterday just like I normally do, and that was because I ticked off all the items on my to-dos yesterday, so I didn't have to go back to look at what I did and what I did not do. I'm just going to start with the new ones that I know that are left on my intention list for the week of 30. Storefront check. Yeah, let me show you guys. Yeah, so I started filling up my Amazon storefront. Completed 9 items today except this one. I didn't touch it. I'll touch it tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day. I'm tired. It is 7:09 right now, so time to get off here and find dinner. How you doing, guys? It's Friday and I'm about to start my day, doing all those planning and all of that. But guys, I'm so proud of myself. I'm excited. I'm proud of accomplishing my intentions for the week. Yeah, I haven't gone through the list this morning actually, but I know that I have ticked a lot of things off the list. This morning now I'm just kind of thinking like, what should I do today? What do I put on my to-do list? But it's just always like that. There will always be something that will come up, even if I don't remember now. I'm sure I will remember later. Yesterday I didn't touch the personal branding thing. One thing about some to-dos that looks like a very big task, and when you don't intentionally attend to it, you just keep procrastinating. That is why we procrastinate. When we see a very big task, we don't want to do it. We just want to keep pushing it, especially when we do not put any priority on it. So the reason that it gets to this Friday and still untouched is because I didn't put any priority on it, and I did not want to go down that lane yet. But as it is now, since I've cleared almost everything on my list for the week, I better just get into it and stop procrastinating. Okay, so let's get into my Microsoft To Do and see what I can get on my list. Okay, I have my personal branding here on the right hand side that's waiting for me from yesterday. I'm just going to, oh shoot, how was I supposed to do that? I wanted to click plus. The thing is, I have actually gathered all the information that I need. I just need to categorize them and use my brain to work on what exactly that I want to do. So the part that I'm running away from is because I don't want to use my brain yet. Looks like I'm going to exercise this brain a whole lot, and I'm running away from it. Anyway, the same event that I joined yesterday, it's going to run for 5 days. So, and another thing I want to do today, start working on what was taught in the challenge yesterday. What else do I want to do? Review my last uploaded video on YouTube. Find a video to reply on TikTok. As the day goes by, if anything comes up, I'm just going to enter it as usual. So I better just start my day right now. I'm outside taking a walk around the neighborhood because the weather is so good, guys. Oh my god, I'm the happiest right now seeing all this sun. Oh, Lord, your mind can join on in or So I see some kids having fun over there. Yeah, the weather is so good. We're back to seeing greens everywhere. Gosh, the environment is about to get so beautiful. Oh god, I'm so happy that it's spring. I'm literally the happiest person right now. I'm so happy. Look, the flowers are beginning to blossom, and I'm so happy to see all of this right now. Oh, what's that? What's that? What is that? No, yay, Honda. Is that a cat? Oh, let me run away. Hey, don't want me. Gosh, see, this is this country that I'm seeing animals walking up and down, and it's Africa that they will say that we have lions, we live with lions. What's all this one now? That's another tiny one right there, just living like we pay tax together. I'll be doing the last thing. which is entering all these receipts into Excel sheet. And the last thing I'm doing today, and I'll just go through my intention for the week list, see where I'm at right now, and do a little bit of retro or review, or better still, I just wait till Monday to do it. But to complete a sprint, we need to do a retro so that we don't carry that to sprint planning, which is going to be on Monday. So I'll I'll do the retro. I'll do it. I'll do it today. This is the part that I'm excited about the most. Hey, yep, I worked on this today. Personal branding, yes, I did. Bam! I was waiting for that sound. Cook egusi pepper soup at 12 p.m. Yes, join Whitey challenge at 12 p.m. Bam! Find a video to reply on TikTok. Okay. Maybe later, maybe I will. But I don't feel like making a video anymore today. I honestly don't feel like that. It's not about me doing everything, like completely doing everything. It's just about me, doing what is important, and be productive in my week, in my day. This one, if I don't post this TikTok video, doesn't mean that I haven't been productive this week. And as a matter of fact, this was just an afterthought when I thought that my day was just quite empty and maybe I should add more things to my plate. But I'm agile. I can decide if it's worth it or not. So let's just go. We'll go again tomorrow. I can do TikTok tomorrow or on Sunday or whichever day. It's not important. So review my last uploaded video on Whitey. Start working on Whitey challenge obviously. Okay guys, these are my intentions for the week, and yes, this was done. Look into two-body pricing, yes I did, and subscribe. Read up on agile, work on Amazon, yes. Reply TikTok with videos, I did. Send mail to class on analyst, I changed my mind on this. We'll wait to the end of the week. And then work on personal branding, which I did. Yeah guys, this is why I like doing intentions for the week, because I get to write everything down, take them all out of my head, put them in writing and paste it right in front of me like this so that I see it. If I did not do that, guys, all of these things that I did this week, it would have been a procrastinated issue. Like I'll probably just put them in my head and be like, okay, I want to do this, I want to do this. It will just remain in my head without me doing anything. And this is a particular attitude of mine that I have studied over the years. I have noticed that this is just one way, or a very bad way to live life. Since I recognized my weakness, I decided that I'm going to work on it and do everything humanly possible, everything seductively possible to do. That is what I'm going to do to make sure that I'm getting things done, and I'm so excited with it. If you guys have noticed, my consistency on YouTube has improved. Now at least I've posted about 4 videos consistently, and I'm seeing the results on my YouTube channel. Like I'm just excited, I'm happy about all of this. So and that completes the end of this video.